Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix calculator not working in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix calculator not working on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps. Now click on Install Apps. In search, type Calculator or scroll down to find the Calculator app. Here you will find three dot icon on Calculator app. Click on three dot icon here and then click on Advanced Options. Now again scroll down. Here you will find Reset. If this app is not working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Now click on repair option here and the calculator app is repairing. The calculator app has been repaired successfully. Hope your problem is solved. If your problem is still continuing, you can go for reset. You will find another option here, reset. If this app is still not working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Just click on reset and then click reset again. The app is resetting. The calculator app has been reset. Now hopefully it will work properly. If it is still not working, you have to go for the third solution. Click on Start menu. Then click on Microsoft Store. If Microsoft Store is not pinned here, you can type in search Microsoft Store. Then click here to open Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store has been opened. In left pane, you will find an option here, Library. Click on Library. In Library, you will find an button on upper right corner that is Get Updates. Just click on Get Updates to update all your installed apps on your Windows 11 computer. Click on Get Updates. Now the apps including calculator app will be updated, and after completing the update, hopefully your problem will be solved and the calculator will work properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.